Oh! It's one of them days. Rob's just kindly asked me if I'd like to have a go, and I kindly replied no. Right, it's saying record, Rob.
Right.
It's definitely
the beep.
fucking recording. Bloody camera.
Hi everyone, so we're back for attempt 2 with a Ferrari CW01 F3.4 or mark.
It's a Luncherari, mate. Definitely a Luncherari. Don't forget, Rob, you're going to have to shout up because of the building work going on.
There is. So
tell them what you've done to it, Rob.
What we've done to it, glued the tyres on because we're
I'm coming in. Yeah.
Sticking them back on after every half run.
What else have we got?
You probably won't be able to see it, but we've got a Speed Passion 10.5 turn.
No, I don't think motor. I can see it, but yeah, well, we'll try it. Yeah, so
censored.
It's 10.5 censored brushless. You got my battery in it, ain't you?
Well, yeah, so that's 2S LiPo. We've got a HobbyKing X-Car 120 Amp ESC.
That should be enough, shouldn't it?
It should be. And as usual, the 19 tooth pinion gear.
Oh yeah.
And if we come round here, you'll have seen this at the beginning, but I've made some spaces.
Oh yep, so that's locked that down in the up position, isn't it?
A lot better than a bit of me
plasticine.
modelling plasticine.
That was my idea, guys, sorry about that.
And we've got a new servo because the other one was sounding rather funny.
Yep, and you've got the shorter shocks on.
Yep.
Right then.
So we just need to give it a run.
Let's do it, sir. Right then, Rob, you ready, dude?
Not really, boss.
Let's have a look. Now, I just turned this on, guys. I hope you can see. It says 6. I'm not going to turn it off again because I've taped it on. It's going to be a pain to get it off, but if it goes faster than 6, then it will be a true reading. Honestly. So, okay then, Rob.
Well, I hope it'll go faster than 6.
Right, he's going out to the test strip. I'll stand over here, Rob. Am I in your way here? Do you want me to go on the other side?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Where are you? He's crashed it already, guys. Don't look at me. I'm ugly.
I've got no reverse.
Oh no. Right then, give it a test run, Rob, first.
Yeah.
Half throttle. Here he goes. Don't crash into me, son. Is that half throttle or full throttle? He's over. It's on its wheels. Oh no. He's coming again. He's going wonky. He's all over the show. I've not got good hopes about this. It's difficult to control, guys. Come on, son, you can do it.
Guts, no glory, mate.
No guts, no glory. Here he goes. He's looking fast. He's going all over the place. He's coming back. Come on, son, you can do it. It's over. I'll get it. Yeah, but it wheelied from about 20 mile an hour. Guys, I'm going to give you a sneak peek. Rob doesn't know. Let's see what we're at. We're only at 25. Come on, son, you can do this. 25, mate. You've got to go faster. What are you doing? He's a nutter! Rob, you got to go steady on it, dude. You got too much power. You have. Stop moaning. Come on, son, you got miles here. You got miles. Think all this debris on the road isn't helping, is it, dude? Here he's lined up again. Oh, I can hear him opening it up. He's still on 4 wheels. Here he comes back again. I can hear it screaming. Oh! Whoops a daisy. I was zoomed out for most of that, Rob. How are we? Bring it back to me, dude. Are you going to try another run? You need to go and stand back down there.
There's nowhere near flat out. Yeah.
Nowhere near flat out. Let me see how fast it is.
I haven't got enough room.
I can see how fast it is. It is 32 miles per hour.
You're getting close then.
32, guys, so let's see if we'll go any faster. I'm going to go back down here a bit.
Yeah, crashing into some of them cars.
Yeah. Right then. You got to squeeze that throttle on slowly, Rob. I can hear him accelerated. But I think you need to accelerate earlier than that, Rob. No, be careful. I'll just reiterate, guys, he's got no reverse.
Don't take any more, mate.
Hey?
This is the last run, I can't take any more.
Alright. That looks fast to me. I think it's broke. Is it broke? Front wheel looks a bit dodgy to me, dude. I'm coming. He's walking off, guys. I think he's gone over there. I think that looked a bit faster though. Oh, he's going to get the speed meter. It's gone flying. Have you got the speed meter?
Half of it.
Half of it. Oh no.
And I think we've lost the time.
Where's the meter gone? Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, I can see the battery.
But will it have, is it going to be reset by the time it's going to reset in it?
Yeah, I reckon.
What? Oh dear. So that's that, guys, it's broke.
So I don't think we're going to get a speed.
Well, no, I got 32, mate. Yeah, it was definitely faster than that time.
So my friends, 32 is the only reading we got before my speed meter got destroyed. Well, almost, but hey, it's back up and running again now. So thanks for watching. I hope you join me for the next one if we have time. We've done a few mods. We've got reverse back and straightened out the steering a bit. So look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, bye.